Welcome to Shoopy. First, head over to the dashboard. This is your store insights, where you can view key aspects of your store such as sales, orders, low stock alerts, and any abandoned carts. Want more detailed insights? You can apply filters to refine the information you see. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon to check out the latest feature updates. To explore each notification in detail, simply click on a specific message to view the full notification or update. To create a new category, navigate to the Catalog section, then select Categories. In the Categories panel, click on the Add Category button to start setting up your new categories. Let's add a new category. Start by clicking the Add Category button, then upload a category image from your computer. Next, enter the category name. You can also enhance your website's search engine visibility by setting the SEO slug URL, SEO title, and SEO description. Once everything is filled out, click Add to create your category. After adding multiple categories, you can easily rearrange them by dragging and dropping to organize them in your preferred order. Alright, let's start by adding some products. Navigate to the catalog and click on the Add Product option. Here, you can upload up to 6 images of your product and enter its name. Next, enter the sale price and MRP. If your product is subject to GST, be sure to enter the GST percentage and select whether the tax is inclusive or exclusive. Then, assign the product to the appropriate category. You can also add the product to multiple categories if needed, giving you greater flexibility. For the product description, you have 2 options: write it yourself in the description section, or click the Generate Description button to create one automatically. Once generated, review and customize the text as needed before using it. Don't forget to provide important details like quantity, color, and any other relevant specifications. When everything looks perfect, click Save to add your product to the store. Banners are one of the most effective ways to communicate and engage with your customers. To add a banner, let's head over to the Banner section under Promotions. Then click the Add Banner option. You'll see 2 separate sections, one for mobile banners and another for desktop banners. Upload your banner images directly from your computer, making sure they meet the specified dimensions for optimal display and clarity. This step is important because using the correct size ensures your banners look sharp and professional on all devices, enhancing the overall user experience. After uploading, you can also add a destination URL that customers will be directed to when they click the banner. Once everything is set, click Save to make your banners live on your website. Now that we've created categories and products, it's time to add some collections. Collections play a crucial role in making your website more attractive and user-friendly by grouping related products together. To create a collection, navigate to the Collections option under the Catalog section. Click on the Create Collection button to get started. You'll see options to add a banner and select products for the collection. First, upload a banner image that represents your collection. Then, enter a title for the collection. This helps customers easily identify it. You can also add a description, though this is optional. If you want the collection to redirect visitors to a specific page, you can add a destination URL here. Next, add the products you want to include in this collection by selecting them from your product list. Once you've added the products, click Save to create the collection. There is also a Layout Settings option where you can customize the collection's appearance by selecting colors and background colors. On the right side, you can set the SEO details for the collection, including the URL slug, title, and description, which will help improve search engine visibility. After filling in all the details, click Save to finalize your collection. As you add more collections, you'll see them listed here, helping you organize your store effectively. To unlock the full potential of collections and access advanced features, I recommend upgrading to a higher plan. Higher tier plans allow you to create more collections and make your website look even more professional. To boost your store's sales, you can easily offer coupons to your customers. Here's how to set one up. Go to the Coupons section under Promotions and click on Create Coupon. Enter your desired coupon code, set an expiry date, and specify how many times each customer can use it. Add a brief description so customers know what the coupon offers. Choose the discount type, either a flat amount or a percentage. For percentage discounts, set a maximum discount limit per order. You can also set a minimum order amount for the coupon to apply, and decide if it's available to all customers or only new customers. Additional options include making the coupon auto-apply at checkout or simply visible for customers to enter manually. To make it visible, tick the Show Coupon to Customers option. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save to activate your coupon. Your customers can now enjoy special discounts, helping you drive more sales and engagement. Now, let's explore one of the most important areas of your online store, the online store section. Here, you can manage all the essential settings to customize and control your store's operations. Start with Store Settings, where you can enter your store's details, including business information, address, and links to your social media profiles. Just below, you'll find Domain Settings to connect your custom domain and make your store easily accessible to customers. In Product Settings, you can adjust how products are displayed and managed. Delivery Settings allow you to configure shipping options, while Payment Settings let you set up and manage payment gateways such as Razorpay, PhonePe, 𝐬𝐵uzz, and CashFree. You'll also find options for managing return orders and assigning store operators. Additional settings include configuring user access levels, handling URL redirections, setting up notifications, and managing login settings, all conveniently located in one place. Below the store settings, you'll find the Display Settings section, where you can customize the visual elements of your website to match your brand and preferences. Here, you can optimize key pages such as the header, home page, About Us, and policy pages according to your requirements. Display settings allow you to personalize your site's appearance by adjusting the font, theme colors, and button styles. In the header section, you can upload your logo and set up your header menu for easy navigation. For the home page, you can control the visibility of categories and decide how many categories or products to display on both mobile and desktop versions, helping you create a clean and user-friendly homepage layout. You can also create or edit your About Us page and add all your business policies to the policy pages, ensuring important information is easily accessible to your customers. Apart from these, you'll find additional options like themes, user and roles, store blog, and store pages, giving you even more control over your store's look and functionality. However, store settings and display settings are the primary areas for customizing your store's appearance and essential information. When a customer visits your website, they can browse through categories and collections to select the products they want and place an order. Once the order is placed, it becomes visible in the back end for the admin to manage. The admin can either confirm or cancel the order. Upon confirmation, the admin selects the delivery time for the order. Next, during the dispatch stage, the admin assigns the courier company and enters the tracking code. After the product is delivered, the admin marks the order as delivered. Throughout all these stages, confirmation, dispatch, and delivery, the customer receives SMS notifications updating them about their order status. If the return option is enabled in your store, customers can raise return requests for defective products, and these requests can be viewed in the Order section. In the Invoice tab, you can see all successful order invoices, where you can also edit payment status and other important details if necessary. This process ensures smooth order flow, clear communication, and efficient management from order placement to delivery and returns. Shoopy provides a dedicated customer tab where you can view all your customers in one place, along with their complete details and order history for easy management. There is also an App Store section that allows you to install various apps to enhance your website's performance. You can integrate tools for SEO, website analytics such as Google Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, and Google Search Console, as well as connect with courier partners and aggregators. Marketing tools and other enhancements are also available to further boost your store's capabilities. Finally, the Reports section gives you access to a wide range of reports covering orders, invoices, sales, customers, GST, and more, helping you track and analyze your business performance. This covers the key features of the Shoopy admin panel. For a detailed demo or any queries, feel free to contact the Shoopy team.